Hey there, welcome back to our channel. We're always excited to bring you new and interesting information about the foods you eat every day. Today we have a special treat for you. We're diving into the health wonders of a food item you might never have given a second thought: pumpkin seeds. Yes, you heard it right. Those seeds you usually toss away after carving your Halloween pumpkins are actually a treasure trove of health benefits. So let's get started and explore the amazing world of pumpkin seeds. And don't forget to stick around till the end for a quick recap and some tips on how to incorporate these nutritional powerhouses into your diet. Ever thought of pumpkin seeds as more than just a Halloween byproduct? Well, these little seeds pack a punch that can surprise you. Often underestimated, pumpkin seeds are much more than a festive decoration or a crunchy snack. They are, in fact, a powerhouse of nutrients and health benefits. From promoting heart health to improving sleep, the advantages are manifold. So let's dive in and unmask the surprising health benefits of these tiny wonders. Stay tuned to discover the secret health benefits hidden within these tiny seeds. To fully appreciate the health benefits of pumpkin seeds, it's essential to understand their nutritional profile. These small but mighty seeds are chock full of vital nutrients. One of the standout nutrients is magnesium, a mineral that many of us don't get enough of. It's necessary for over 300 biochemical reactions in our bodies, including maintaining a healthy heart rhythm and supporting our immune system. Next on the list is iron, another key player in our health. Iron plays an essential role in producing red blood cells and transporting oxygen throughout our bodies. A lack of iron can lead to fatigue and weakened immunity. Finally, let's not forget about protein. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent plant-based source of protein, which is crucial for building and repairing tissues, making hormones and supporting overall growth and development. Clearly, these nutrient-packed seeds are more than just a crunchy snack. Did you know that pumpkin seeds can do wonders for your heart health? Well, it's true. These tiny powerhouses are packed with magnesium, a mineral that is essential for a variety of bodily functions, including the regulation of heart rhythms. In fact, it's estimated that nearly half of all US adults don't get enough magnesium in their diets, which can increase the risk of heart disease. But munching on a handful of pumpkin seeds can help bridge that gap, and that's not all. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in antioxidants, which are known for their heart protective qualities. Antioxidants help to reduce inflammation and prevent oxidative stress, both of which are key players in heart disease. These claims are not just hearsay, but backed by science. Numerous studies have demonstrated the heart-healthy benefits of pumpkin seeds, reinforcing their position as a superfood. Now, isn't that a heartwarming fact about this humble seed? If you're having trouble sleeping, pumpkin seeds could be your nighttime snack savior. They're packed with something called tryptophan, an essential amino acid that your body converts into serotonin, the feel-good hormone. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Your body then changes that serotonin into melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate your sleep cycle. So, essentially, munching on a handful of pumpkin seeds could be the first step towards a more restful night's sleep. But how do you incorporate these magical seeds into your evening routine? It's as easy as sprinkling them on your salad at dinner, mixing them into your evening yogurt, or simply enjoying them as a crunchy snack before bedtime. They're not only delicious, but also incredibly versatile. So the next time you're tossing and turning, remember this little secret. Who knew that a good night's sleep could be as simple as munching on some pumpkin seeds? Now that you're aware of the health benefits of pumpkin seeds, you might be wondering how to include them in your diet. Pumpkin seeds are a versatile addition to your meals and snacks. The simplest way to incorporate them into your diet is by using them as a topping. Sprinkle a handful of pumpkin seeds on your salads, oatmeal or yogurt to add a pleasant crunch and a boost of nutrients. If you're a fan of baking, try adding pumpkin seeds to your bread or muffin mix. They lend a nutty flavour and a delightful texture to baked goods. Or you could blend them into your smoothies for a dose of protein and fibre. For a savoury option, consider tossing roasted pumpkin seeds into your stir-fries or using them as a garnish for your soups. They can also be mixed into homemade granola bars or energy balls for a quick and healthy snack on the go. Toasting pumpkin seeds with a bit of olive oil and your favourite spices can create a tasty and nutritious snack. One fun way to use them is to make a pumpkin seed pesto. Just blend pumpkin seeds with fresh basil, garlic, olive oil and parmesan. and you have a delicious sauce for your pasta or sandwiches. With these tips, adding pumpkin seeds to your diet will be as easy as pie. Let's quickly recap the incredible health benefits of pumpkin seeds that we've covered. These small but mighty seeds pack a nutritional punch. Rich in magnesium, they are a natural way to replenish this essential nutrient, promoting overall well-being. Moving on to heart health, pumpkin seeds are your heart's best friend. Their high content of antioxidants, fibers and healthy fats work together to keep your heart strong and healthy. And let's not forget the sleep benefits. With their natural content of tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your body produce serotonin, they can improve the quality of your sleep. We've also shared some practical tips to incorporate pumpkin seeds into your diet. From roasting them for a snack, sprinkling them on your salad, to blending them into your morning smoothie, there's no shortage of ways to include these health wonders in your daily routine. So the next time you see pumpkin seeds, remember they're not just a snack, but a powerhouse of health benefits.